How to find your Windows product key in a very simple process. All you have to do, guys, to watch this video to the end. So come to the search button here, click on it and type in reg, R-E-G. It brings to this registry editor. Right click on it, then click run as administrator. Click on yes. So it brings to this interface. Now locate and click the arrow at the back of each key local machine. Once you click on that button, then locate and click the same arrow at the back of software. Now that I've clicked on that button, then on your keyboard click on M, takes to this space where you see Microsoft, because we are going to access Microsoft. Then just scroll up a bit and click the arrow at the back of Microsoft. Now that I've clicked on Microsoft, then on your keyboard again, tap or click on W. It brings to this interface, then takes you to window. Then from here we're going to click on what we call window NT, this button here. Click the arrow at the back of window NT. Once I click on the arrow at the back of window NT, it brings to this interface. You have current version. Then double click on current version. When you click on current version, it comes out like this. Now type on X to bring to this interface, then scroll down until you get to software protection platform. Click on it, click on software protection platform. Now it brings to this interface. Now take a look at what is here. You see button that says backup, this button that says backup key defaults. Double click on it. Now here is your product key. Here's your window product key. You can see it's very simple and easy. So that's all, guys, on how to access your Windows product key on your device in a very simple process. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. See you guys on my next video.